Hello, I am Ankish Kumar and the founder CEO of Sharetivity. And I want to talk to you a little bit about what we are calling intelligent outreach. It's one of the toughest things salespeople do, and it's you have to differentiate yourself, and you have to have some information that will make it an intelligent outreach, whether it's social, whether it's personal, whether it's business related, and that's what we focus on. And let me jump straight into it. So here we have an account of one of our customers. And as you can see, here are all the social posts of their different customers. So in this example, NCR is one of their customers. There's a LinkedIn post. And if I keep scrolling down, you'll see there's a tweet by McKesson, and a tweet by NCR, etc. So this is almost like Facebook, but as opposed to your friends and family, this is your customers and also your contacts. So if there's a particular individual as well that you have on their social feeds, they can also be seen here. The second thing on the dashboard would be alerts. So we actually set up alerts. Think Google Alerts, but a little better, we believe, as we focus only on quality business publications as opposed to the whole universe as what Google does. And to give you a sense of the alerts that these guys have got set up, systems integrators, so they have things like test automation, application development, IoT, etc. So these are all the news that are available here. Now, if I want to do a reach out to one of my prospects, say there's this particular subject here about new technologies that are coming, I can just hit the share button. I can send this article to my prospect. That will be considered an intelligent outreach. I can also post this to LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, building my own content up on my social sites as well. In a very similar way, on the social posts that my customers have done, if I want to reach out to a particular customer, at, say, for example, McKesson, and they've tweeted something about clinical financial goals, sometimes see at odds, and I can make a comment about that. I can also say, hey, I just saw your post. I can hit share, and they know that I'm following them. I'm interested in their business, which is always really a good way to show a relationship. And let me show you something also pretty cool as well. So we actually link the two together. So for example, we have all the posts here, the social posts at the bottom. And based on these social posts, this LinkedIn post, this Facebook post, and this Twitter post, we give you recommended content. And then what I can do is I can have a templated email. And so, for example, October is National Medical Libraries Month that this customer has tweeted about. If I hit share, this will create a templated email for me that actually references the actual article as well as the tweet that they made. So that is actually very, very intelligent outreach. The next thing I can show you is leads. So one of the things that our customers have said, hey, these are the publications that my salespeople should be reading, and we sort of give you the articles here, but can you also pull out leads? So we actually do that. We actually say, okay, in this company's case, they're looking for CTO, and we rank them. So if the title is something they're looking for, Chief Security Officer, Chief Technical Officer, Chief Information Officer, and they're mentioned in these particular articles, we give them the articles, the excerpts, and the person's name, and they can convert these leads into contacts if they want, which is also very, very powerful. And again, this is intelligent outreach. If I know that this particular individual is mentioned in this article, and I say, hey, I see you were mentioned, and I thought it was a very interesting article, that's intelligent outreach. One other thing I wanted to show you was also contacts. So let's say these are all the contacts in the system. And say I was, let's say, Amy Morris here. I want to go to her record, and I get a LinkedIn profile, which is great. What we give you over and above that is relevant content based on this LinkedIn profile, and it gets even better because what I can do is if I can scroll through her LinkedIn profile, I see she worked at Southwest Airlines. I can click on Southwest Airlines and get the latest news on that subject. And so again, intelligent outreach. Just say, hey, I see you worked at Southwest Airlines, and I just noticed this interesting article about working at Southwest Airlines, and whatever that intelligent outreach is. So that's a quick overview of Sharetivity, a 3-minute overview. There's a lot more here. So just to give you a little bit of a teaser, hope that helps.